Hello student, today we are taking the concept of mobile cloud computing. It is a part of unit 6, future of cloud computing. So first we will take what is a mobile cloud computing. Mobile cloud computing forum. According to the mobile cloud computing forum, the definition of mobile cloud computing is mobile cloud computing at its simplest refer to an infrastructure where both the data storage and data processing happen outside of mobile device. Mobile cloud application move the computing power and data storage away from the mobile phones and into the cloud, and bringing the application and mobile computing to not just smartphone users but much broader range of mobile subscribers. So in mobile cloud computing, the data processing and data storage are moved from mobile devices to powerful and centralized computing platform located in cloud. So the cloud, in which it contains the large number of servers, large number of data storage and large number of data centers. So all the processing shifted to the cloud of mobile applications. So mobile cloud computing is introduced as an integration of cloud computing into mobile environment to bring new types of services and facility to mobile users. So all these, whatever the applications and the services, are accessed by mobile devices over wireless connection using browser. So in this mobile cloud computing, HTML5 may be used for developer, used by the developer to create the multimedia content which will be suitable for the all devices. So in mobile cloud computing, all the computing of application is transferred to the cloud. This is the architecture of mobile cloud computing. So all the mobile devices are connected to the base stations, or you call the mobile stations, through number of access points like base stations, access points, satellites. And this mobile central processor of mobile network service provide the communication or to provide the services to the mobile devices. And this central processor, or we call the stations, mobile stations network, connected to the cloud through internet. And whatever the request sent by the mobile devices to the cloud, the processing happen at the cloud, and it send the request or processing output to the mobile devices through the internet. So this is the architecture of mobile cloud computing. Advantages of mobile cloud computing: extending battery lifetime, improving data storage capacity and processing power, improving reliability. In extending battery lifetime, using computation offloading techniques, large computations and complex processing is migrated from resource limited mobile device to resourceful cloud server. So in this case, how it extends the battery lifetime? So it moves the processing time to the cloud. So it saves the lifetime of battery. So mostly the application takes long time. So in the mobiles, it have limited resources, so we cannot run all these applications on the mobile devices. So it migrate all the application processing to the clouds. So through this, it save the battery lifetime of mobile devices. Second advantage is improving data storage capacity and processing power. As we know, the mobiles have a limited storage, and mostly the application require the large amount of storage capacity. So we can move the required storage capacity to the cloud system. So mobile cloud computing is developed to enable the mobile users to store, access large amount of data on the cloud through wireless network. So for example, Google Photo allow users to upload unlimited photo, video to cloud. So user may access their images, video from any connected devices like mobile, laptop. So through this, we save the storage or improve the storage capacity of mobile cloud computing. Now again, improve the processing power. So due to limited resources of mobile, so it is not possible to process all the application on the mobile. So and mobile in cloud computing, it contains the large number of servers, so we can move the processing power to the cloud servers. So in this way it improves the storage capacity and processing power. Next advantages is improve the reliability. The data and application are stored and backup on the number of cloud servers. So because of this, so it contains the replica of data and the application on the servers. Because of this, improve the reliability. Also, cloud provides the some security measures for the application also. The advantages of cloud for mobile service provider. So what is the advantages of mobile cloud for the service providers? So dynamic provisioning, scalability, multi-tenancy, ease of integration. So dynamic provision means what? So the mobile service provider may dynamically add the required resources, depends on the requirement. Scalability, so easily it can add or expand the services without or with little constraint on the resource usage. The multi-tenancy, in multi-tenancy it shares the resources and cost to support variety of application and large number of users. So in multi-tenancy, the mobile service provider can share the applications to the number of users. So through this it save the cost also and the resources. Ease of integration, multiple services from the different service providers also integrated easily by using this mobile cloud computing.